Hello and welcome to Bedtime with Badger. As you can see, I don't have a drink, and that is because this is the Badger Workshop Christmas party. It's just me and the Badgers, so I thought I'd invite you lot. So we're going to have something a bit more special than just a bottle of beer. So let's get making. Now Joseph designed and sent me over these wonderful labels, so I hope he's watching. I'm going to take a glass. Get some ice in there. I don't have a measure, but that looks a good amount of gin. Top up with soda water. This is a gin fizz, so this is the fizz. Normally you'd have some lemon juice in there, but obviously we've got the blackberry, and you'd put a sugar syrup. But if you saw me making this, you would know quite a lot of sugar went in the first place. Garnish with a few blackberries, and how pretty is that? Cheers. That's pretty good. I would say I could use more gin and less fizz, but I've got the rest of the bottle to experiment with. So, welcome to the Badger Workshop Christmas party. Let's get that fire going a bit more. I hope you've all got a drink. I should have made sausage rolls. Next year I'll make sausage rolls. Right, what's going on? I have no idea. You'd be amazed to know that. My list. Number 1, gin. We've done that. Okay. Number 2, organised like normal. What does it say? Badger beer book. Right. Loads of you gave me suggestions last week about ales I should try, and I didn't write them down, and now they're lost in the comments, God knows where. So from now on, I've got the Badger beer book. If you write a beer I should try down below, I will put it in this book, and then no promises, but if I'm out and about and I see it, I will pick it up. And if any breweries are watching and want to send me beer, you are more than welcome. So, workshop tour went out this week. I hope you enjoyed looking around this. I'm really pleased with it. Obviously, it's a work in progress, as most workshops. In fact, since that tour, I've actually moved where my workbench is. So I have to keep you informed. I've definitely got some more projects going on in here. Lots of organisation needs to sort out. Yeah, so you'll see more bits going on. Q&A is tomorrow. Had loads of questions so far. So I'm trying to leave filming it to the very last minute. So hopefully there won't be any internet problems and it will be up by midday tomorrow. I know what will happen. Loads more questions will come in after I've filmed it, but I might have to do a follow-up. But hopefully I will cover all the topics. What else we got? We've got another recommendation. Strangely enough, it's another New Zealander. Scott Brown Carpentry. I'll stick a link down below. So he's a professional carpenter, and I guess I stumbled across him because I'm into timber framing and that kind of thing at the moment with the workshop build. So it's nice seeing how a pro works, and it's interesting little techniques they have and things just to make the workflow better. And tool reviews from someone that actually is on the job using them every day is always good. So I'll put a link down to him below. So, I think that's about it. It's just the wrapping up for Christmas at the moment. Only a few days to go. So, I hope you're all off work soon and you're going to have a great time, get everything you want, which probably involves a lot of tools if I know you lot. And I'll speak to you after the big day. So, thanks for coming to the party. It might be a bit wilder next year. As I say, sausage rolls next year. You have to hold me to that. Cheers.